Pyxis Lab is pleased to release the highly anticipated ST-774 ultra-low luminescent dissolved oxygen sensor. This new product is specifically designed for a wide variety of monitoring applications, including low and high pressure boiler feed water, deaerator storage water, power generation, ultra-pure water systems, critical closed-loop systems, condensate return, beverage production post-fermentation, and semiconductor rinse water. The ST-774 launch is the culmination of 3 years of extensive research and development at Pyxis Lab. It incorporates a fully optical platform measuring ultra-low residuals of dissolved oxygen via blue and red light sources. The ST-774 is a fully integrated state-of-the-art smart sensor that comes calibrated from Pyxis factory, enabling rapid deployment and simple maintenance and calibration for years of service. The unique design completely eliminates the need for membranes and electrolyte solutions. Designed specifically for cooled sample applications measuring ultra-low concentrations of dissolved oxygen, the ST-774 includes integrated temperature and pressure sensors providing real-time compensation based on sample conditions of the installation. The 0.4 ppb lower level of detection offered by the ST-774 is unmatched in the industry and is ideal for water and process applications requiring the utmost accuracy and range of detection. The ST-774 offers 4 to 20 mA and RS-45 output signals in an 8-pin IP67 quick adapter format, allowing direct connection to any existing controller, PLC, or DCS system without the need for any special controllers or transmitters. The sensor offers a detection range of 0.4 to 2000 ppb with real-time pressure and temperature compensation. Users may purchase the ST-774 as a truly standalone dissolved oxygen sensor and terminate it directly to their existing system at no additional hardware cost. The ST-774 is also Bluetooth enabled when used with the MACR Bluetooth adapter for convenient and wireless diagnostics, probe output configuration, and calibration via the Pyxis mobile or desktop app. The ST-774 offers a cleanliness self-diagnostics capability within the Pyxis app as an added convenience to determine if the sensor requires cleaning or cartridge replacement. The ST-774 can be deployed without the need for calibration for up to 1 year of operation. Maintenance of the ST-774 is quick and easy, with interchangeable DCC02 dissolved oxygen cartridge assembly. To remove the old cartridge, simply twist off the expired DCC02 cartridge, replacing it with a new one. The ST-774 dissolved oxygen sensor is now ready for service. The ST-774 is provided with a proprietary flow cell design from Pyxis Lab, machined from a solid stainless steel block and integrated 1/4-inch swage lock inlet and outlet. This airtight flow cell allows for simple installation and assurance from oxygen contamination in the sample stream. For proper installation, users should always use swage lock stainless steel compression fittings and tubing from a cooled sample flow source. Pyxis offers both pure nitrogen gas for zero calibration and nitrogen gas containing 0.1% oxygen for slope calibration in a 58-liter cylinder as a standard accessory. For rapid calibration of the ST-774, Pyxis Lab offers the DO Zero Calibration Kit. Sold as an accessory, this kit is a portable panel that comes pre-equipped with the ST-774 flow cell, interconnecting 1/4-inch swage lock stainless steel tubing, and a calibration gas cylinder shelf. This accessory enables users to remove the ST-774 from service and install it into the Zero Calibration Kit flow cell for rapid zero-point and slope calibration. Once calibrated, the ST-774 may be removed and returned to its normal service flow cell. For fully integrated turnkey installation, Pyxis Lab offers the ST-774 pre-mounted flow and calibration panel as a pre-assembled and easy-to-integrate solution for users desiring the ST-774 ultra-low DO sensor pre-mounted with a flow cell and all appropriate water sample and calibration gas flow regulation hardware. With a manageable panel size, this system may be used in both permanent installation or portable applications and allows the user to rapidly deploy the ST-774 on a cooled water sample line without the need for costly installation. The ST-774 output wiring allows the user to terminate the pre-mounted sensor to any receiving controller, PLC, or DCS. As an added convenience, the user may purchase the optional UC50 display data logging terminal. The UC50 is a unique Pyxis microprocessor-based display and data logging terminal, which is pre-configured for all Pyxis inline sensors in an RS-45 Modbus format. Once the ST-774 is wired to the UC50, the display automatically recognizes the sensor and its configuration, providing immediate data display, data logging capability, and integrated calibration interface. UC50 offers one contact relay output and has RS-45 Modbus and 4 to 20 milliamp outputs for passing the sensor value onto another device. To learn more about the ST-774 ultra-low luminescent dissolved oxygen sensor, please contact order at pyxis-lab.com or your preferred Pyxis Lab distributor.